With California voters passing Prop 36 last November, Shasta County Sheriff Michael Johnson is pitching a new corrections and rehab campus for that county.
Action News Now reporter Blake Mayfield is live where that campus could be built on East Side Road. So Blake, how will this facility be different from the current jail?
Yeah, Alan, it would create space and opportunities for low-level and non-violent offenders to gain job skills in order to not become repeat offenders as criminals. And that's something that the current Shasta County Jail cannot offer.
In my head, I was working up a plan already. Prop 36 came around and I said, okay, well, this becomes #1 priority for us now.
With voters passing Prop 36 last year, many drug and theft offenders face longer jail sentences. But that also means more offenders going in and out of the Shasta County Jail. Because of this, Sheriff Michael Johnson pitched a new corrections and rehab campus to Shasta County supervisors on Tuesday. The new campus would include mental health services, drug and treatment programs, and work programs.
Ankle monitor some of them. We can put them into these vocational training programs, which also will cause them to serve their time or their penance and give back to the community at the same time.
Johnson says he'd like the campus to potentially go out here on 90 acres of land that's currently owned by the city of Redding, between Haven Humane and some businesses on East Side Road off Highway 273.
Fuel reduction program, maybe it's auto mechanic program, maybe it's working on the farm, whatever it is, you're working off your time and the community is still benefiting from that. That's the objective here.
In addition to giving low-level offenders a chance to rehab without doing jail time, the new campus, which would be on the Sacramento River, could help boost the sheriff's search and rescue efforts.
We're also going to put some sort of dock there so we could run our search and rescue and boating safety unit operations off of that dock as well.
As of now, Johnson does not have a number for how much the campus might cost, but due to the campus not providing overnight bed space like the Shasta County Jail does, he says the cost to taxpayers could be reduced significantly. Still, he says if the county does nothing to help move the project forward, he'll have no choice but to book and release low-level petty offenders.
Shasta's a great place, and if we don't deal with it, it's going to get worse. The problem is going to get worse, so we have to do something.
After he was done pitching his plan to county supervisors yesterday, the board unanimously supported bringing it back for discussion at a later date and a later meeting. Reporting live in Redding, I'm Blake Mayfield, Action News Now.
Very interesting. Thank you, Blake. And by the way, would this campus, or where you're standing there, potentially become a new site for a new jail? Is that something that could happen?
Yeah, Alan, Sheriff Johnson said that's part of his intent. He says that, if they can get what they need out here, a sheriff's station, another one, would be something that he would definitely be interested in building out here on this plot of land.
All right, we will follow that. Thanks, Blake. In Shasta County, more than 86% of voters said yes to Prop 36.